Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So, in that last class, I have to discuss about array and what is array, how to allocate the memory space using array, and how to declare the values and how to initialize the values. And we have to use some example to define the array values and how to define the index values also. So these are all discussed in that last class. So now I have to discuss about what is method overloading. So in this method overloading means, so we have already defined the methods inside the class. So this is the class structure. So in this class, I have to define attributes and the methods. So this is the structure for creating the class. So class name. So this is already defined in the last classes also. So I have defined the attributes. So based on the class, I have to define the attributes and the methods. So this is the structure for creating the class. So in this, I have to create the when I have to create the method, so I have to given the parameters. So I have to add the values inside the method also. So in this, I have to create the calculator as a class name. So in this, I have to given the data type and I have to given the method name as add. So in this, I have given the parameter values, that is a and b. So in this data type as integer. So this is my method. So in this method, I given the definition as, so this input value will be given at the execution, that is in my main function. So in this, so I have the given values as into a into b. So this is the value when I have to post in my object creation. So this is the definition. And the next one is I have to and I have to given the same name as already defined method. So this is method overloading. So I have to given the same name as method. I already defined the method. That same name I have to given the another values. So this will be take error message. So to avoid this, we have to given the different parameters for the same method. So this is add. So this is also the method name is add. This is overloading because so we have to given the two values as a parameter and this we have to given the three values as parameters. So this will not affect any errors inside the program. So this is method overloading. The method can be as a same name, but we have to given the different parameters or the different data type. So in this next method, I have to given the same name as method already defined. So the next into a into b. So the next value is ab. So in this I have to given the data type as different. So in this I have to use double a and double b. So we have to return the value as a plus b. So this is the structure of method overloading. The method name can be the same, but the parameters or the data type will be different. So this is the method overloading. So in this public static main, I have create the calculator class object for calculator class object cal equal to new calculator of. So in this, I have defined the object. So based on the object only, I can access the attributes and methods inside the class which we have to be defined. So in this, I have used the value as object cal. So in this, I have passed the values. So in this values, the what is the method name is add. So in this, I have to given 2 comma 3 means this will be called. So written a plus b, so that value will be 5. The next one is object called dot add of. So I have to pass the 3 values means, so this function will be called written a plus b plus c. This will be called. So that output will be at 8. And that next we have to use object called dot add of. So I have to give in the value as double values. So I have to use 3.5 comma 2.5 comma 3.5. So this is the next value which is called. So this is the method overloading. The method can be as the same, but we have to give the different parameters or the different data type. So this is the method overloading. When you have to give the same method name with the same parameters, it will be take the error message. Thank you.